Audio check 1 2 3 4. Audio check 1 2 3 4. Hello and welcome. You're watching this market update on Money9 and you can see there's a green screen in front of you. So the markets have opened with a positive aspect. If you see, there was a 0.5% uptick right at open for the Sensex. We're still trading at 52,467 at the moment, 313 points an uptick for the Sensex at the moment. Remember, intraday we've already hit a record high of 52,516. So there's a new high that we've seen of the Sensex today that's over the 52,500 mark as well. Whole lot of stocks really factoring in and putting their efforts in pushing the index higher today. Look at ONGC, it's up about 4% in trade. Now remember, the crude oil prices are also at multi-month high, and that's one reason why the oil and gas space is really buzzing, and ONGC can be a reflection of that 4% uptick over there. The banks are still performing. Yesterday, a spectacular show by Nifty Bank, and if you see, there was an 1,100 points of gain that we actually saw on the Nifty Bank too. Kotak Mahindra Bank, IndusInd Bank, also Power Grid, SBI, L&T, Tech Mahindra, HDFC Bank, NTPC, Titan. These are the counters that are really supporting the markets at the moment, about 2 to 3% uptick over there. From the pharma space, if you see Dr. Reddy's, it was trading in the red yesterday, but it's back up 1% up in today's trade. From the auto space, there's Maruti also supporting the markets today, 1% uptick over there as well seen. Reliance Industries, another heavyweight, still supporting the markets, almost 0.8% of a jump over there as well. From the FMCG pack, it's again ITC that's still up about 0.6% in trade. HCL Technologies from the IT space again up in trade right now. TCS, Infosys, another big heavyweights from the IT space supporting the markets as well. The consumption space is also active right now with Asian Paints buzzing like slightly higher in trade today. Bajaj Auto is also up about 0.3% in trade, and if you see Ultratech Cement is also up about 0.38%. For the Sensex losers, it's Nestle, Sun Pharma, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finserv. That's not performing, and that's a surprise factor because Bajaj Finance is still up. The Finserv counter is not really performing. Axis Bank is down, and you can see there's a profit booking actually falling in today's trading session. Look at the Nifty now, 15,430 for the Nifty at the moment, 115 points of a gain over there as well, 0.8% of an uptick is what we can actually see for this one. Now the Nifty mid cap also 100 and the Nifty small cap 100 index, both of them are up about 0.5% to 0.6% up in trade. Now the markets are clearly favoring the advances at the moment, 39 advances to 11 declines right now for the index. अब एक बार देखते हैं कि निफ्टी में जो गेनर्स हैं उनमें कौन-कौन से काउंटर्स शामिल हैं. ONGC, IndusInd बैंक, कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक, हिंडाल्को और साथ ही JSW स्टील, इन सभी में अगर आप देखेंगे तो 2.5% से लेकर 4% तक की बढ़त देखने को मिल रही है. वहीं लूजर्स में आज एक्सिस बैंक है, बजाज ट्विंस आज दोनों ही अंडर परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. आईसीआईसीआई बैंक, सन फार्मा भी आज थोड़ा सा वीक ही ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. सेक्टोरल इंडिसेस में एक बार देखते हैं कि परफॉर्मेंस सबसे ज्यादा कहां से आ रहा है. आप ये देख सकते हैं कि सभी सेक्टोरल इंडिसेस इस समय हरे निशान में ही कामकाज कर रहे हैं. सबसे ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेशन पीएसयू बैंकिंग स्पेस से देखने को मिल रहा है. साथ ही अगर आप देखेंगे यहां पर 0.4% तक की बढ़त देखने को मिल रही है. 12 के 12 स्टॉक्स जो कि पीएसयू बैंकिंग इंडेक्स में हैं वो सभी इस समय हरे निशान में हैं. डिक्लाइंस कोई भी नहीं है इस समय के हिसाब से. अगर आप देखेंगे तो मेटल इंडेक्स में भी इस समय 3.8% तक के अपटिक देखने को मिल रहे हैं. तो मेटल इज कंटिन्यूअसली शाइनिंग. अगेन ऑल 15 काउंटर्स इन द मेटल इंडेक्स आर परफॉर्मिंग एट द मोमेंट. Now, actually, let's look at these are the counters from Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, Hindalco, JSW Steel. All of them are really performing in trade today. You can see there's an uptick of about 3 to 5% that we can see on this stock as well. Moving on to see another counter from the sectoral indices front that you can really focus on, or the sectors that you can really focus on would include, sectors like even financial services, auto, and the banks. They are also contributing in trade today. FMCG and IT again contributing slightly. Nifty Realty extending its gains from yesterday's trading session as well. So overall, another positive start, continuation from the gains that we actually saw in yesterday's trading session. So we can expect a further higher up in the markets today as far as the benchmarks are concerned, the broader markets are concerned, and all the sectoral indices are also concerned. इसी के साथ चलिए आपसे यहाँ पर विदा लेते हैं, लेकिन अगले शो फर्स्ट टिक में आपके साथ जुड़वाएंगे एक टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट को, जो कि बताएंगे कि ऐसी तेजी वाली मार्केट में आपको कहां पर फोकस रखना है। तो जुड़े रहिए मनी 9 के साथ।